Hello everyone. This module allows user to create and task from the PLM order that we have created. Now after installing this module, now let's get into the PLM, and from here now let's create a new PLM record, and over here let me add the descriptions and other more informations over it. So here I need to add the product, and if any bill of material, now I'm going to use only the products, and here the responsible person and effective date and as well as the tag. Okay, and over here now let's save this one, and you can see an option to create a task. So in this we need to add the task. Now I'm going to add the task, and I need to add the title of the task. Okay, now here I need to assign m person and allocate it as, and the deadline of this will be, and you can add the tag if any, and you can add the descriptions too. Okay, now adding each and every information over here, now let's create an task. So now you can see that one task will be created. Now let's get into the task, and over here you can see the task will be created for that particular PLM order that we have created. You can see how many tasks there. We have only one task, and you can create multiple tasks here as well. So in this way, we can make use of this module to create and task from the PLM. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.